introduce the 45th and soon-to-be 47th President of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
How are we feeling, stock traders? I've just absolutely ruined my room for that. There's dollar bills everywhere. But there's not just dollar bills in my room, there's dollar bills in everyone's bank accounts. Welcome back to another episode of Stock Market Hub. I'm your host, Joe, and we can now officially say that Donald Trump is the 47th President of the United States. And everyone who's woke up today, unless you're invested in the clean energy sector, has woke up in the green in their stock market portfolios. The big news of today is that crypto has gone up absolutely massively, with Coinbase going up 31%. Bitcoin went up to 9% with an all-time high of $75,000. So it's huge if you're into the crypto market. Unfortunately, I'm not. What we covered in an earlier episode on the channel is that Tesla could have been a pretty big winner with a Donald Trump win, and, well, wasn't I correct on that? Donald Trump's own media stock as well as holds steady at about $35. It's up roughly about 3-4% today. The S&P 500 today has pretty much seen an all-time new high, going up to about £86. I trade in pounds, that's how I know it as. It's gone up roughly 3.3% today after the election. Nvidia going back up to about $146, 4.45% there gone up for Nvidia. Microsoft saw a little increase of about $7, equaling to about a 1.75%, and as already mentioned, Tesla's gone up 14.62%. What we should be looking though into the future is definitely defense stocks. Van X Defense EFT, I don't know how to pronounce it. It holds quite a majority asset of the US contracts in the defense sector, and that could definitely see an increased interest with the new Donald Trump presidency. If Donald Trump improves the defense spending, Lockheed Martin could also go up, and Northrop Grumman, I don't know how you pronounce that, could also very much go up. As I've mentioned again in a previous video, Trump is likely to prioritize domestic and gas oil production now. We mentioned it in the last video, but Chevron, we could definitely see those increase over the next few months. But as I also mentioned in my previous video, this whole oil thing and getting oil out of America could create a surplus of oil, so you want to be a bit careful on that front. Okay, that's all for this video today. It was just a quick one. I hope you've enjoyed waking up this morning and seeing some green in your portfolio, unless you invested in clean energy, whereas if you're Elon Musk, you're doing a lot of whooping and USA. Try to get that chant correct. I'll be back either tomorrow or in a few days time, and we'll be checking up on what else is happening with the stock market. Obviously now we're nearing the end, as I mentioned before, lots of earnings are coming in. That's going to impact a lot of stocks. So yeah, I'm really excited now to see what the future holds with Donald Trump at the helm of the US. And hopefully we'll all be okay.